Hi, we're Ron and Judy from Full Time Dream.
And we're going to show you the 10 things that we do while we're doing self-isolation.
Hang on for the excitement.
Welcome back. The first thing that we do is watch wildlife. Robin over there.
Number 2, kiss and hug your animals or annoy them. One of the two. They love it when you do this.
Number 3, irritate your spouse. I'm not touching you.
Round 1.
Look at my arms go
Number 4, give your spouse a haircut. This is actually the before, not the after. I'm actually cutting my hair.
Number 5, go kayaking.
On the wrong side. Number 6, learn a new skill.
Number 7, grow your own food. Growing your food is so rewarding after spending so much time and effort to plant in the ground. So there's nothing at all like going out to the garden and picking a fresh thing of tomatoes. Oh. Look at that. Number 8, teach your dog a new trick. Buddy, sit, sit. Okay. Whisper. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Sit. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Number 9, learn to make your own yarn.
And most importantly, number 10, laugh. Life's too short. With everything going on, you need a little humor in your life. Number 10, laugh. Important number 10, laugh. What? And most important, you got anything to add?
If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to us. Hit that notification bell so that you can see what we're going to come up with next.
Until next time,
Bye.
bye.